Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing from my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of June. This box is a subscription service that you can get monthly. There are several different tiers that you can pick from, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one extra item that is always different. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy these boxes with my own money. They have no idea who I am, and they have no idea I do these videos. I think it's fun to unbox them on camera with you guys so you guys can see what I get as well. And it's always a surprise. And then at the end of the year, I plan on doing a collective haul of everything that I get for the entire year, which I think it'll be really fun to see everything all together. So this is my box for June, like I said. First, this color is so cute, this lime color. It is adorable. The color of the boxes is always different, and I think that's so fun every time you get one. So let's open up my box. Ooh. Well, first I want to check this out. Handmade wooden shawl pin. That's cool. Is it gonna come out? Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. Oh, wow. I'm excited to use this. I will have to make a shawl for myself and then use it, but it is freaking gorgeous. All right, now the yarn. Ooh, it's so cute. I love the colors. Silk Blend Sport Weight. And it always gives you the knitting needle and the crochet hook to use with the yarn. So cute. Oh, I love it. I love these colors. It's very dense. It's like that cotton blend. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then you always get a booklet to go with your box. And it is going to tell you about how it was made. It's going to tell you about the yarn. It's going to tell you about the gift that you get. Oh, it was hand carved. Oh, God, that is so beautiful. That is so, so pretty. It's going to tell you about the club. Oh, I love this. You get a knitting pattern for the yarn. And then you get a crochet pattern for the yarn too. I always like to read through these booklets once I get them. So excited. So that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of June. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Be sure to check out my playlist for all of my Darn Good Yarn unboxings. I will have that listed up in the eye and down below. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.